Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to transfer data any Samsung to Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So simply I'm provide full guide. At first make sure to connect your Wi-Fi in the same wireless. Okay, I'm just connect Wi-Fi to same wireless. Okay, just connect this and open your smart switch apps. Okay, if you want to transfer this phone to this phone, then select send from this phone, or if you want to select this phone to this phone, select send from this phone, and just receive from this phone, select receive on this phone. Okay, wireless, send this phone to wireless. Okay, and you just scan this QR code. Okay, you just wait a few seconds. Now it's scanning. To select everything, just account, call, contact and message or custom. So if you want to select custom, press on next, select to account, call, message, or select everything, press on next, press on to copy. Okay, okay, now it's scanning. Once it complete to 100%, then successfully transfer all data from this Samsung to this new Samsung.